Steam Water Analysis System SWAS. This lecture is part of the lecture series on steam power plant systems. It may be useful for plant operating staff. Steam Water Analysis System SWAS. In order to reduce problems of scale and corrosion in the boiler, feed water and condensate systems, chemicals need to be dosed into the plant steam/water cycle. To quantify the amount of particular chemical to be dosed, it is essential to monitor the chemistry of the steam/water. Request: it is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब। यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है। Chemical analyzers are usually installed in a central place for better control of the steam/water chemistry and for ease of maintenance. Stainless steel sample lines are drawn to a central sample table where the samples are cooled in sample coolers. Their pressure is reduced in pressure reducing valves and the flow is maintained prior to bringing the samples into contact with their respective analyzers. Various types of chemical analyzers are provided in a thermal power plant to check purity, excess carryover of silica and sodium, detect oxygen ingress, monitor pH, etc. Some common analyzers along with their location for monitoring are shown in a tabular form in next slide. List of analyzers and their monitoring location. Conductivity silica and sodium analyzers are used in superheated steam. Conductivity silica and pH analyzers are used in boiler drum water or blow down water. Conductivity silica, pH, dissolved oxygen and residual hydrazine analyzer is used at feed water at economizer inlet. pH, dissolved oxygen, sodium analyzer is used at condensate exhaust pump discharge. Condensate extraction pump discharge. Specific conductivity, cation conductivity analyzer is used at condensate in hot well. Conductivity and pH analyzer are used in condenser makeup water. Conductivity and dissolved oxygen analyzer is used in the case of stator cooling water. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like. Please सब्सक्राइब। यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है।